Okay, as promised, the P-series test. So the P-series is of this format. N starts at 1, goes to infinity, and we have 1 over n to the pth power, hence the name P-series, okay? I guess had they put a B there, would be the B-series test, but it's the P, and therefore the P-series test. P is just a number, it's any constant, okay? It can be proven that this series will converge if P is larger than 1, okay? And it will diverge if P is less than or equal to 1, guaranteed. So this is another quick series test rather that you can do. There we go. N goes from 1 to infinity. It's 1 over n to the 1/2 power. All right, so P is equal to that 1/2 right there. 1/2. Pretty sure that's less than or equal to 1. Yes, would you agree? Cool. So we know that this will diverge. Okay. And along the same lines, we have the P-series where it's 1 over n to the 8th. Okay, 8, well, it's bigger than 1, so this is going to converge. That's our P-series test. Now, obviously that's very easy, and you say, okay, well, they're going to do something like that on the exam. Probably not. Hopefully, because it is so easy. But what you are more likely to see is a question like this right here, where they say, okay, we have n is equal to, goes from 1 to infinity, and we have the series 1 over n to the 2k plus 1. And then they proceed to ask, what values of k will make this series converge? Okay, so they're testing as to whether or not you know the P-series, and then they want to see if you can use it. Okay, so it's asking for when the series will converge. We know that the series will converge if the exponent is greater than 1. So really, all you have to do here is take your exponent, which is 2k plus 1, and find out what values of k will make that expression greater than 1. Well, this is just algebra, right? How do we get k all by itself? Exactly. Subtract 1 and divide by 2. So we know that 2k is greater than 0, and k, therefore, is greater than 0. So though any value of k that's greater than 0 will result in a series which converges. Any value of k which is less than or equal to 0, and this guy right here is going to diverge. And then you would see this in a multiple choice question. They'd have 4 answers out, and that would be one of the answers, and probably k less than 0 would be another one, and k greater than 1 would be a third one. They'll have confusions on there, but they tend to ask questions like this.